We are here at the Texas Instruments booth here at Embedded World 2023, where they have just released a suite of new microcontrollers. Now these are general purpose microcontrollers, but they come in various different configurations, and of course they can be tasked to do a variety of things. And I'm here with Vinay, who's going to take us through what Texas Instruments has just released and why you might want to use them in your next design.
Thank you, Ian, for the introduction. As you said, it's an exciting day for us today. We are super excited to announce our new family of microcontrollers based on ARM Cortex-M0 Plus. It's a general purpose family of MCUs, really focusing on three key areas. First is when an electronics designer works on a design, they're worried about whether they're designing a specific product or a product family or a platform. They want to be able to choose from a family of products, which different compute options, different memory options, different peripheral options, different package options. With this portfolio, we want to be able to offer that entire scalability for engineers to choose from. Second, as an embedded designer, people care for the software and how quickly it is to ramp up with these MCUs, how easy it is to design with these. That involves a lot of tools, software, support with graphic user interface and all of that. So TI is providing the complete suite of products to make it easy for designers to design with our MCUs. And last but not the least, of course, whatever you design, it has to be affordable and needs to make economic sense whenever your end product goes into the market. And with this microcontroller family, we will make it extremely affordable. Okay, moving into some key applications that we are focusing on. At the high level, this is a very general purpose family of microcontrollers which can be used for a range of catalog applications. Imagine yourself waking up, brushing your teeth. You're using a microcontroller over there. Coming out, making a cup of coffee or tea for yourself. The coffee machine uses microcontrollers. You're in your kitchen, your smoke detector in the house has a microcontroller. Your appliances, you're surrounded by microcontrollers. You are walking around the house, some of the security sensors around you use microcontrollers. You're stepping out, the doorbell and some of the smart home automation systems around your home has microcontrollers. You're sitting in a car, your car surrounded with microcontrollers. And then depending on where you go to your workplace, whether it's a manufacturing environment or any other workplace, all in all, you are surrounded by electronics, and these MCUs are the brain of electronics, so you are surrounded by microcontrollers. And as the importance of electronics increases, we expect the usage of microcontrollers to continue to increase. We have quite a few demos here at Embedded World booth here. Once again, these are few examples, not at all inclusive of everything you can do. You can see for medical, we have demos showing pulse ox, blood pressure monitoring. We have some demos showing motor control, and this can be used in multiple types of applications. We have configurable battery solutions for the power packs of the world, and then you can walk around here. You have a smoke detector that can use with a conventional chamber or with innovations around chamberless design. Again, moving into your house and power metering and grid, there is a power metering design, and also some systems demonstrating the use of microcontrollers in automotive. All in all, these are few examples, but on this screen, it shows a display of all the graphical tools and software that we are offering, because as I said, at the end of the day, along with hardware, embedded designers care for the software ecosystem that we are providing, and this shows a pretty good suite of software that we are providing along with this microcontroller family. So, super excited about this, and thank you for the opportunity here.
No problem. And the only other question I have is just that if people are excited about this and they want to get started doing this today, these boards that you've just announced, are these things that are available to get now? Can people get development kits already, or is this something that's going to be released in the future?
That's a good question. Everything that I've shown here is already available on TI.com, and we have a family of dozens of MCUs that we have released. People can go online, ti.com/MSPM0. They can find the products that they're looking for with the right combinations of memory, compute packages and everything, and also go to our software page for taking a look at all the development kits we are providing.
Excellent, okay. Well, yeah, thank you so much for your time. And as mentioned, anything that you've seen in this video that you're interested in, I will make sure that there is links to it in the description. Also, the blog post accompanying this video will have links to everything that we've just talked about today. Thanks so much for your time today. Have a fantastic conference.
Thank you so much. Same to you.